Apptricity Procure to Pay Online Training. Introduction to Apptricity Procure to Pay. Apptricity Procure to Pay, P2P, is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline and automate the procurement process within organizations. It integrates various stages from requisition to purchasing and payment, aiming to enhance efficiency, visibility, and control over procurement activities. Key features of Apptricity Procure to Pay typically include requisition management. Users can submit and track requisitions electronically, replacing traditional paper-based forms. This process helps ensure compliance with purchasing policies and improves the speed of request processing. Supplier management. The system often includes tools for managing supplier information, such as vendor profiles, performance metrics, and contract details. This helps in maintaining good supplier relationships and negotiating better terms. Purchase order, PO, management. Apptricity P2P automates the creation, approval, and distribution of purchase orders. It allows stakeholders to track the status of orders in real time, reducing delays and ensuring timely delivery of goods and services. Invoice processing. Automating invoice receipt, validation, and approval helps in reducing manual errors and accelerating the payment cycle. It also facilitates compliance with financial regulations and improves cash flow management. Payment automation. The system often integrates with financial systems to automate payment processing, ensuring that suppliers are paid accurately and on time. This also includes functionalities for managing discounts, early payment options, and reconciling payments. Reporting and analytics. Apptricity Procure to Pay provides insights into spending patterns, vendor performance, and compliance metrics through detailed reporting and analytics. This enables better decision-making and strategic planning within the procurement function. Integration capabilities. It can integrate with other enterprise systems such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, CRM, Customer Relationship Management, and accounting software, providing a seamless flow of data across different departments. Key features of Apptricity Procure to Pay. Apptricity Procure to Pay, P2P, is a comprehensive software solution designed to streamline and manage the procurement process within organizations. Here are some key features typically associated with Apptricity Procure to Pay. Purchase requisition management allows users to create and manage purchase requisitions electronically. Streamlines the approval workflow, ensuring proper authorization before purchases are made. Purchase order management automates the creation, approval, and distribution of purchase orders, POS. Tracks PO status and facilitates communication between buyers and suppliers. Vendor management centralizes vendor information and maintains a database of suppliers. Helps in evaluating vendor performance and managing vendor relationships. Invoice management automates invoice processing, reducing manual data entry and errors. Matches invoices with corresponding POS to ensure accuracy and compliance. Expense management tracks and manages employee expenses related to procurement activities. Integrates with travel and expense systems for a comprehensive financial overview. Inventory management manages inventory levels and replenishment based on procurement activities. Integrates with warehouse management systems for efficient stock control. Contract management. Stores and manages contracts with suppliers, ensuring compliance and renewal tracking. Alerts users to key dates such as contract expirations or renegotiations. Reporting and analytics. Provides insights into spending patterns, vendor performance, and procurement metrics. Generates reports and dashboards to support decision-making and strategic planning. Benefits of implementing Aptricity Procure-to-Pay. Implementing Aptricity Procure-to-Pay, P2P, can bring several benefits to an organization. Streamlined procurement process. Aptricity P2P automates and integrates procurement processes from requisition to payment, reducing manual efforts and streamlining workflows. This leads to increased efficiency and faster cycle times. Cost savings. By automating procurement processes, organizations can achieve cost savings through better spend visibility, compliance with contracts and negotiated pricing, and reduction in processing errors and delays. Improved visibility and control. The platform provides real-time visibility into spending, enabling better decision-making and control over budgets. This transparency helps in identifying savings opportunities and optimizing procurement strategies. Enhanced compliance. Aptricity P2P ensures adherence to organizational policies, regulatory requirements, and contract terms. This reduces the risk of non-compliance and associated penalties, while also improving audit readiness. Supplier relationship management. The system facilitates better communication and collaboration with suppliers through automated purchase orders, invoice reconciliation, and payment processing. This can lead to improved supplier relationships and potentially better terms and discounts. Efficient invoice processing. Aptricity P2P automates invoice processing, reducing the time and effort required for manual invoice entry, approval routing, and reconciliation. This leads to faster invoice cycle times and improved cash flow management. Scalability and flexibility. The platform is scalable to accommodate growth and changes in business needs. It supports integration with existing ERP systems and other enterprise applications, ensuring flexibility and future-proofing. Analytics and reporting. Aptricity P2P provides robust analytics and reporting capabilities, offering insights into spending patterns, vendor performance, and compliance metrics. Case studies. Successful implementations of Aptricity. Aptricity has been recognized for its success in implementing various solutions across different industries. Here are a few notable case studies. U.S. Army. Aptricity software was implemented by the U.S. Army to manage and track assets and supplies worldwide. This deployment significantly improved inventory visibility and logistics efficiency, saving millions of dollars annually by reducing manual errors and streamlining operations. Coca-Cola. Aptricity's supply chain and asset management solutions were adopted by Coca-Cola to enhance their logistics and asset tracking capabilities. This implementation helped Coca-Cola optimize inventory management, improve delivery accuracy, and reduce operational costs. City of Houston. Aptricity provided its fleet management and asset tracking solutions to the City of Houston. This deployment enabled the city to monitor and manage its vehicle fleet more effectively, leading to improved maintenance scheduling, fuel efficiency, and overall operational performance. Department of Homeland Security, Aptricity's software solutions were utilized by the Department of Homeland Security for managing assets and equipment across various agencies and departments. The implementation helped DHS achieve better visibility into asset utilization and life cycle management, enhancing security and operational readiness. BNSF Railway, Aptricity partnered with BNSF Railway to deploy its mobile asset management system. This system enabled BNSF to track and manage its rail assets in real time, improving maintenance scheduling, reducing downtime, and enhancing overall operational efficiency. These case studies highlight Aptricity's ability to deliver tailored solutions that address complex challenges in asset management, logistics, and supply chain operations across diverse sectors. Aptricity Procure-to-Pay versus traditional procurement systems. Aptricity Procure-to-Pay, P2P, and traditional procurement systems differ significantly in their approach and functionality. Here's a comparison to highlight their key differences. Aptricity Procure-to-Pay, P2P. Integration and automation. P2P systems like Aptricity are known for their high level of integration across procurement processes. They typically automate the entire procurement cycle from requisition to payment. Cloud-based and SaaS, many modern P2P solutions, including Aptricity, are cloud-based, offering software as a service, SaaS, models. This allows for scalability, easier updates, and accessibility from anywhere. Real-time visibility. These systems provide real-time visibility into procurement activities, enabling better tracking of orders, approvals, and spending. Streamlined workflow. P2P systems often streamline workflows through automated approvals, electronic catalog management, and supplier relationship management tools. Analytics and reporting. They offer advanced analytics and reporting capabilities, providing insights into spending patterns, supplier performance, and compliance. Mobile accessibility. P2P solutions like Aptricity usually come with mobile apps or mobile-friendly interfaces, allowing users to manage procurement processes on the go. Traditional procurement systems. On-premises software. Traditional systems are often installed on-premises, requiring infrastructure and IT support for maintenance and updates. Manual processes. These systems may rely more on manual processes such as paper-based requisitions, physical approvals, and manual data entry. Limited integration. Integration across procurement functions may be limited, requiring separate systems for requisitioning, purchasing, and invoicing. Slower processing. Compared to P2P systems, traditional systems may be slower in processing orders and approvals due to manual steps and dependencies. Less visibility. Real-time visibility into procurement activities may be limited, making it harder to track orders and spending in real time. Reporting challenges. Generating detailed reports and analytics may require additional effort and time due to less integrated data and systems. Implementation steps for Aptricity Procure-to-Pay. 1. Assessment and planning. Assess current processes, understand existing procurement and payment processes, including any software systems currently in use. Identify requirements, gather requirements from stakeholders across procurement, finance, IT, and other relevant departments. Define objectives. Clearly outline what the organization aims to achieve with Aptricity Procure to Pay. Example: cost savings, process efficiency, better compliance. 2. Vendor selection. Evaluate Aptricity. Ensure Aptricity Procure to Pay meets your functional requirements and integrates well with existing IT infrastructure. Consider vendor reputation. Review customer reviews, support capabilities, and the vendor's ability to provide ongoing updates and support. 3. Customization and configuration. Customization scope. Define any customization needs based on unique organizational requirements. Configuration. Configure Aptricity Procure to Pay according to defined business rules, approval workflows, and user roles. 4. Data migration. Data mapping. Map existing data to Aptricity's data structure. Data cleansing. Cleanse and validate data to ensure accuracy and completeness. Migration strategy. Plan and execute the data migration process with minimal disruption to ongoing operations. 5. Integration. Integrate with existing systems. Integrate Aptricity Procure to Pay with ERP systems, example SAP, Oracle, and other relevant software, example accounting systems. API configuration. Configure APIs for seamless data exchange between systems. Testing. Conduct integration testing to ensure data flows accurately and processes function as expected. 6. Training and change management. Training plan. Develop a training program for end users and administrators. Change management. Prepare change management strategies to ease transition and adoption. User acceptance testing. UAT. Conduct UAT to validate that the system meets business requirements. Integration capabilities of Aptricity with ERP systems. Aptricity is a company that specializes in providing software solutions, including integration capabilities with ERP, enterprise resource planning, systems. Here are some key points regarding Aptricity's integration capabilities with ERP systems. Flexible integration framework. Aptricity offers a flexible integration framework that allows their software to connect with various ERP systems seamlessly. This framework typically supports both cloud-based and on-premises ERP deployments. Supported ERP systems. Aptricity can integrate with a wide range of ERP systems, including popular ones like SAP, Oracle ERP Cloud, Microsoft Dynamics, and others. They often tailor their integration approach based on the specific ERP system and version that a client is using. Data synchronization. Aptricity's integration capabilities focus on ensuring smooth data synchronization between their own software modules, such as asset management, inventory management, and supply chain management, and the corresponding modules in the ERP system. This synchronization is crucial for maintaining data accuracy and consistency across different business functions. APIs and connectors. They provide APIs, application programming interfaces, and connectors that facilitate integration between Aptricity's software and ERP systems. These APIs enable secure data exchange and automation of processes, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. Customization and configuration. Depending on the specific requirements of a client's ERP environment, Aptricity offers customization and configuration options. This ensures that the integration meets the unique needs of each organization, whether it involves specific data mappings, workflows, or business rules. Real-time integration. Aptricity aims for real-time or near real-time integration capabilities with ERP systems, enabling businesses to have up-to-date information across their operations. This is particularly important for activities such as inventory management, order processing, and financial reporting. Security and compliance. They prioritize security and compliance with data protection regulations when integrating with ERP systems. This includes ensuring that sensitive business information remains secure during data transmission and storage. Customization options in Aptricity Procure to Pay. In Aptricity Procure to Pay, P2P, customization options typically revolve around tailoring the software to fit specific business needs and workflows. Here are some common customization options you might find. User interface, UI, customization. This involves adjusting the layout, colors, and branding of the interface to match company branding or to optimize user experience. Workflow customization. Businesses often have unique procurement processes. Aptricity P2P allows customization of workflows to align with these processes, including defining approval hierarchies, routing rules, and notifications. Data fields and forms. Customizing data entry fields and forms allows businesses to capture specific information relevant to their procurement processes. This might include adding custom fields for project codes, cost centers, or other metadata. Integration with existing systems. Aptricity P2P can be integrated with other enterprise systems such as ERP, enterprise resource planning systems, accounting software, or inventory management systems. Customization often involves configuring these integrations to ensure seamless data flow. Reporting and analytics. Customizing reports and analytics dashboards allows businesses to generate insights tailored to their specific requirements. This might involve creating custom metrics, filters, or views. Security and access control. Customizing user roles and permissions ensures that access to sensitive procurement data is restricted appropriately based on organizational roles and responsibilities. Mobile access and functionality. As mobile devices become increasingly integral to business operations, customizing the mobile interface of Aptricity P2P can enhance usability and accessibility for users on the go. Vendor and catalog management. Customizing vendor profiles, catalog items, and pricing structures allows businesses to manage supplier relationships and procurement catalogs effectively. Compliance and regulations. Customizing compliance checks and regulatory requirements ensures that procurement processes adhere to industry standards and legal regulations applicable to the business. Training and support. Customizing user training materials and support documentation helps users understand how to leverage the customized features of Aptricity P2P effectively. Security features in Aptricity Procure to Pay. Aptricity Procure to Pay, P2P, is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline procurement processes and improve efficiency within organizations. While specific security features can vary over time and with updates, typical security measures you might find in Aptricity Procure to Pay include data encryption. encryption of data both in transit and at rest to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. This ensures that data remains secure even if intercepted during transmission or stored on servers. Access control, role-based access control, RBAC, to limit access to system functionalities and data based on users' roles and responsibilities within the organization. This helps prevent unauthorized users from viewing or modifying sensitive information. Authentication mechanisms, multi-factor authentication, MFA, or other strong authentication methods to verify the identity of users accessing the platform. This adds an extra layer of security beyond just a username and password. Audit trails, logging and monitoring of user activities within the platform to create audit trails. This helps in detecting and investigating suspicious or unauthorized activities by providing a record of actions taken within the system. Compliance and certifications, adherence to industry standards and regulations, example GDPR, HIPAA, and obtaining certifications, example SOC 2, to demonstrate commitment to security and compliance. Regular security updates, prompt application of security patches and updates to address vulnerabilities and protect against emerging threats. Data backup and recovery, regular data backups and robust recovery procedures to ensure data integrity and availability in case of system failures or data breaches. Secure integration, secure APIs and protocols for integrating with other enterprise systems while maintaining data security and integrity. User training and awareness, educating users about security best practices and raising awareness about potential threats such as phishing attacks. Vendor security, assessing and ensuring the security practices of third-party vendors and service providers who may have access to or interact with the platform. How can Apptricity enhance financial control in procurement? Apptricity can enhance financial control in procurement through several key functionalities and features. Real-time visibility. Apptricity provides real-time visibility into procurement processes. This includes tracking orders, approvals, and expenditures as they happen, which helps in identifying potential issues early and allows for proactive management of budgets and spending. Budget management. It allows for better budget management by setting up controls and alerts based on predefined budgets. This ensures that procurement activities stay within approved financial limits, preventing overspending and budget overruns. Automated approvals. Apptricity streamlines the approval process by automating workflows. This reduces delays in procurement cycles and ensures that purchases are authorized according to established financial policies and thresholds. Integration with financial systems. Integration with existing financial systems, such as ERP systems, ensures that procurement data flows seamlessly into financial reporting and accounting processes. This integration provides a consolidated view of financial data and enhances overall financial control. Audit trails and compliance. Apptricity maintains detailed audit trails of procurement activities. This helps in compliance with internal policies as well as external regulations. Auditors can easily trace transactions and verify that they align with financial controls and standards. Cost analysis and reporting. The platform offers robust reporting capabilities, providing insights into spending patterns, vendor performance, and cost-saving opportunities. This data-driven approach enables better decision-making and strategic planning in procurement. Supplier management. Effective supplier management through Aptricity ensures that vendors are selected based on criteria such as cost-effectiveness, quality, and reliability. This contributes to overall financial control by optimizing supplier relationships and negotiating favorable terms. How does Aptricity streamline procurement processes? Aptricity streamlines procurement processes primarily through its specialized software solutions designed to automate and optimize various aspects of procurement. Here are some ways Aptricity achieves this. Automation. Aptricity's software automates manual procurement tasks such as purchase requisition approvals, purchase order generation, and invoice processing. This reduces the time and effort required for these processes, enabling quicker turnaround times and reducing errors. Centralized procurement. By centralizing procurement processes, Aptricity allows organizations to manage all procurement activities from a single platform. This centralization improves visibility and control over spending, supplier relationships, and compliance with procurement policies. Integration. Aptricity integrates with other systems such as ERP, enterprise resource planning systems, financial software, and supplier databases. This integration ensures seamless data flow between different parts of the organization and external suppliers, avoiding duplicate data entry and ensuring data accuracy. Spend analysis. The software provides tools for spend analysis, helping organizations analyze their procurement spending patterns. This analysis enables better decision-making regarding supplier negotiations, cost savings opportunities, and compliance with budgetary constraints. Supplier management. Aptricity helps in managing supplier relationships by providing tools for supplier performance evaluation, contract management, and collaboration. This improves communication with suppliers and ensures that organizations work with reliable and compliant vendors. Compliance and reporting. The software includes features for regulatory compliance and reporting. It helps organizations adhere to procurement regulations and internal policies while providing detailed reports on procurement activities, spending, and performance metrics. Mobile accessibility. Aptricity offers mobile access to its procurement software, allowing stakeholders to approve requisitions, track orders, and manage invoices from anywhere. This mobility enhances flexibility and responsiveness in procurement operations. How does Aptricity support vendor management? Aptricity supports vendor management primarily through its software solutions designed to streamline and optimize various aspects of vendor relations and procurement processes. Here are some ways in which Aptricity supports vendor management. Vendor relationship management. Aptricity provides tools to manage vendor relationships effectively. This includes maintaining a database of vendors, their contact information, performance metrics, and contract details. It helps in tracking vendor communications, negotiations, and collaboration. Procurement and purchasing. The platform facilitates procurement operations by automating purchase orders, approvals, and vendor selection processes. It can integrate with existing ERP systems to ensure seamless procurement workflows from requisition to payment. Vendor performance monitoring. Aptricity enables tracking of vendor performance against predefined metrics and benchmarks. This helps in evaluating vendor reliability, delivery times, quality of goods services, and adherence to contractual terms. Contract management. It supports centralized storage and management of vendor contracts, ensuring easy access to contract terms, renewal dates, and compliance requirements. Alerts and notifications can be set up for contract milestones and renewals. Expense and invoice management. The platform streamlines invoicing and expense management processes. It allows for electronic submission and processing of invoices, reconciliation with purchase orders, and automated approval workflows. Inventory and asset management. For businesses dealing with physical inventory or assets from vendors, Aptricity provides tools for tracking inventory levels, replenishment orders, and asset utilization. This ensures optimal inventory levels and asset life cycle management. Analytics and reporting. Aptricity offers robust analytics and reporting capabilities that provide insights into vendor performance, spending patterns, cost savings opportunities, and compliance metrics. These insights enable data-driven decision-making and strategic vendor management. How does Aptricity handle compliance and regulatory requirements? Understanding regulations. They begin by thoroughly understanding the regulatory landscape relevant to their industry and the jurisdictions they operate in. This involves staying updated with changes and new regulations that impact their business and their clients. Integration into solutions. Aptricity integrates compliance requirements directly into their software solutions. This ensures that their products are designed with compliance in mind from the ground up, reducing the risk of non-compliance for their clients. Security measures. They implement robust security measures to protect sensitive data and ensure data privacy, which is often a critical component of regulatory compliance in many industries, such as GDPR in Europe or HIPAA in healthcare. Regular audits and assessments. Aptricity conducts regular audits and assessments to evaluate their compliance with regulations and standards. This proactive approach helps them identify areas that need improvement and ensures ongoing compliance. Client education and support. They provide education and support to their clients regarding compliance requirements related to their solutions. This helps clients understand their responsibilities and how to use Aptricity's products in a compliant manner. Adaptation to changes. Regulations can change frequently, so Aptricity stays agile and adaptable. They update their software and processes as needed to reflect new regulatory requirements and ensure continued compliance. Documentation and reporting. Aptricity maintains detailed documentation of their compliance efforts, including policies, procedures, and audit reports. This documentation not only supports their own compliance but also helps clients meet their own regulatory reporting requirements. Why choose ProExcellency for Aptricity Procure-to-Pay online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Aptricity Procure-to-Pay online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise in Aptricity Procure-to-Pay. ProExcellency likely specializes in training programs tailored specifically for Aptricity Procure-to-Pay. This specialization ensures that you receive training from instructors who have in-depth knowledge and experience with the software. Comprehensive curriculum. They are likely to offer a comprehensive curriculum that covers all aspects of Aptricity Procure to Pay. This ensures that you gain a thorough understanding of the software, from basic functionalities to advanced features. Hands-on experience. Their training programs may include practical, hands-on experience with the software. This can be invaluable as it allows you to apply theoretical knowledge in a simulated or real-world environment. Flexible learning options. Online training with ProExcellency provides flexibility in terms of scheduling and location. You can learn at your own pace and convenience without being tied to a specific classroom or time zone. Certification preparation. If certification is important to you, ProExcellency may offer training programs that prepare you for Aptricity Procure to Pay certification exams. This can enhance your credibility and marketability in the job market. Supportive learning environment. They may provide a supportive learning environment with access to instructors or mentors who can address your questions and provide guidance throughout the training process. Cost-effective. Online training often eliminates travel costs and reduces overall expenses associated with traditional classroom training, making it a cost-effective option. Thank you.